What inspired me to become an attorney was helping people. I studied psychology and communications in undergrad and realized that there were many people who needed somebody to advocate on their behalf, and I wanted to be that person. Advocate to me means giving somebody a voice who needs it, somebody who potentially doesn't feel confident or is too hurt to speak for themselves. I have seen this firsthand many times when somebody is in pain and they don't know how they are able to help themselves. So that's when I step in and speak on their behalf and try to get justice for them. I think the quality that makes me successful as an attorney with my clients is my ability to listen. I enjoy listening to a person's story and seeing how I'm able to help them. It's very important for people to feel heard, mostly when they've been hurt, mostly when they are going through a tough situation. And I want to be able to listen to that story and to turn that story into something positive for that person. Our team is very dynamic, and we are able to help each other with many levels of each case. Meaning in pre-suit, for example, we have teams that get together and discuss certain cases and the liability of certain cases. Same with litigation. We are able to rely on each other and each other's expertise in order to move a case forward. I tell my clients many things when I first speak with them, but I think the most important one is letting them know that I'm on their side. Their story is what I'm going to take and develop into what is needed for them to get a good result. I also tell my clients that patience is very necessary, especially when getting cases going or through the process from pre-suit into litigation. When we take cases here at Farah Farah, our goal is to get the best result for the client, whether that takes a couple weeks or it takes years. The point really is to obtain, again, that justice that is necessary for each person. In my case, I'm able to transition a case from pre-suit into litigation. So I may have a client for months and months or for years until they get that result. And my goal is to see it through to the end. My legal team is very important to me, and the people I work most closely with are my paralegal and legal assistants, as well as fellow attorneys in the litigation and the pre-suit departments. Here at the Orlando office, we work very closely together and we speak about our cases with each other on a regular basis, whether it be to move a case forward or knowing what resource to reach out to or who to reach out to in order to get the case moving in a positive manner. At Farah Farah, I have felt very comfortable asking for any sort of resource, meaning if I need to send my client to a specialist or to a specific expert who can give us an opinion on what we need, I'm easily able to reach out to someone who will point me in the right direction or who will simply just give me advice as to how to find the right person for the job. You should hire me because I will put my heart and soul into each and every case. Everyone has a unique story that deserves to be told, and it is my goal to help everyone that I come into contact with.